Recently, K-Gateway has released its latest release, that is v2.1 or the version 2.1, and that has been integrated or have came up with a lot of changes as well as integrations. One of its biggest integration is that it's the first version of to integrate along with the open source project, that is the Agent Gateway. Agent Gateway is a highly available and highly scalable data plane that provides, along with the AI connectivity, LLM, MCP tools, 8-way communication as well, and for the interface workloads as well. They collectively can provide the power of powerful and next generation control plane while working along with the K-Gateway, and an enterprise grade data plane while working along with the Agent Gateway. They can bring the power of both of these particular tools into the underlying proxy layer with the Envoy as well as the AI workload integration with the maximum security and authentication that has been implemented to your workloads. As a part of the evolution, they have also begun the replication of the Envoy based AI gateways as well as also Envoy based interference extensions, since all the related functionalities is now implemented natively through the Agent Gateway. As well as also they have implemented some other introduced some other amazing features as well, and the integration into their whole workloads as well as applications or the gateway architecture. One of them is that the global policy attachment to all the particular namespaces that has been implemented. Earlier you have to include whichever policy you want to implement in the same namespace, but now all of these particular policies can be implemented as a global policy attachment to be implemented to all the particular namespaces that have been for any particular policy that has been implemented or been explained or described or have been deployed in a particular namespace. As well as also deep merging and applying weights in the form of the priorities to the external authentication as well as also to the XProc, that is the external processing, have been given. You can even bring your own horizontal pod autoscaler, that is the HPA plugin, into the K-Gateway. This way you can also automatically scale up and down your K-Gateway's control plane and data plane pods depending upon the all the thresholds like CPU or memory allocation or consumption that has been the status of your pod or the workloads at the moment. K-Gateway have also introduced some of the options to customize the gateway proxy's default pod templates, including the configurations of the node selectors, affinity tolerance, and the topology spread constraints and external traffic policies as well. So these were some of the policies as well as the integration that are really interesting about the whole K-Gateway project, that is the v2.1 in the latest release. And I'll be coming up with a lot more information about these particular latest updates. Also, I have discussed them all on my own live. So if you want to enjoy me going through all these particular updates, then yeah, head back to my live session as well. Thanks a lot. Radhe Radhe.